Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Friday. Yes, Friday, September the 15th, 2023, almost weekend. We have here in this additional 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars and one with 1 star. Sometimes they call it also tectonic. In Dutch they call it cyberblock. In Japanese suguru. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. These puzzles, not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only half of them, 4 of them I will solve this evening. And I will start with the 3 stars Sudoku number 7101. 7101. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. Should be at 2 stars. 2 stars Sudokus has always 26. 3 stars 25. But it's indicated with 3 stars. For 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. For 2 stars, 15 to 20 minutes. We will see if this is a 2 stars or a 3 stars Sudoku. Alright, so let's get started. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5. And look, we have a 1 and a 5 in this middle column, so no 1 and a 5 in this box. 1 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 5 goes there, so 1 digit left in this big square for number 3. 2 missing numbers in the middle. No. Well, yeah. Well, yeah, let me wait. Let me wait. Let me wait here. We have a 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column. So in the first column, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in the second row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left for the 4, it should be there. 5, 5, okay. And now. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 7. 1. Here can be 1. Here can be 1. 1. Okay. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. The 1 could be here, could be there. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in the first column. 1 of the missing numbers is 1. Here can be 1 because we have 1 in 1 of those 2 boxes in the second row, so no 1 there. Here can be 1 because we have 1 in this row, so no 1 there. So the 1 in the first column could be here or there. Here 1 or there 1. We see another 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Alright. Need a 7 here. 2, need a 3 here. And I need a 6 here. 6. Okay, I need to wait. How about? I need a 4 here. 4, 8. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5 is missing. 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 4, 5, 8, 4, 5, 8, 4, 5, 8. And look, we have a 4 and 8 in this column. So no 4 and 8 in this box. 4 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 4 goes there. So 1 digit left in this row for number 5. 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 3 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see 5 in the third row, no 5 there. Here 5 in the first row, no 5 there. So the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5, 5, okay. 5, 5, okay. Cannot continue with the 5 now, need to wait. I need a 4 here. 4 in this column. 4 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So last row, the only 3 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in, we see a 4 in this column, no 4 there. We see a 4 in the middle column, no 4 there. So the only place left for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can't see. This is number 1, number 4. Okay. 1, 1. 1, 1. Let me think. 8, 8, 8, 8. 8, 8, 8. 8. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8 in this big square. We have an 8 in the middle row, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. We have an 8 in the second column, no 8 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square should be there. We have 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the first row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the third row, 8 in the first row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the last row. So in the row between, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can't see. This is number 2, number 8. Okay. And now. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So the last column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3. Well, 2 and 3. 2 missing numbers in this row. Oh wait, 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 1 box left in this row for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for number 1. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 5, 6. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, 6 is missing, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 5, 6, 9. 5, 6, 9, 5, 6, 9, 5, 6, 9. And look, we have 5 and the 6 in the last column. So no 5 and the 6 in this box. 5 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 9. 1 box left in the last column for number 1. The 2 is missing, and I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes and there. 1, 1. 1, 1, okay. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, 8, 9 is missing, 7 and 9, 7 and 9. Okay, 5, 6, and 2. We have a 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in the last row, 2 in that row, so in the row between. Only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in the first row, 2 in the second row, so in the third row, only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in the 7, we have a 2 now in the second column, so no 2 there, 2 should be here. 7 goes there, and all the 2s are used. I can't see. Digit number 3, number 2. Okay. Then. How about 1 in the first column, 1 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the second row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row, so in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can't see. This is number 4, number 1. Okay. And now, 2 numbers left in the third row. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. 7 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 7 then. Then 1 box left in the middle column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. Come on. Well. Come on. 3, 6, 9. 3, 6, 9. 3, 6, 9. 6 and 9. 3 and 6. I'm thinking. 3, 6, and either 5 here. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in the last row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in this row, 5 in the last row. So the row between, only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in the 6, we have a 5 now in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 it goes there, and all the 5s are used. I can't see. This is number 5, okay. Then 1 box left in this column for number, I believe, the 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. 9 and the 7. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, 8 and 9 is missing, 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 9 last row, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and a 6. Well, cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Here also 3 and the 6. Well, we have a 6 now in the third column. So no 6 there. 6 should be here. 3 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 3. 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 3 in the first row, 3 in the third row. So the row between the second row, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in the second column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 7, 8, 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and a 9. Well, cannot fill this yet. How about here, 6 and a 9? We have a 6 now in the third column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. 9 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 9. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 6, 6, 6, correct. 6 in this column, third column, 6 in the second column, so the first column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 8 and the 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. We have 7 in the second column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 9 goes there. Finish in 30 minutes. Well, in the flow. Yeah, 2 stars. I believe it is a 1 star because I'm faster than 15 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the second puzzle, the 4-star Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.